welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hailie and today I am going to be organizing my bookshelves. In my last video, I went over my entire physical TBR and pulled out literally every single book I own that I have not read yet. So now I'm just surrounded by piles of books and I need to put them away. So I figured, why not organize together? This has been long overdue because I just keep getting more and more books and not really finding space for all of them. So this is very much needed right now. But I figured the first thing I would do is I used to organize my books by color, but now I'm really liking organizing them by author or genre. So I'm going to split all my books up into different piles, author piles, covers that kind of match, stuff like that. And then we'll get into actually putting them on the shelf. Let's get into it. Okay, I am overwhelmed and sweaty doing this, but my little Starbucks drink today tastes like fall. It is so delicious, but it's also just like putting me in the mood. I can't wait for fall. I got a grande iced blonde vanilla latte with 2 pumps of hazelnut. It kind of tastes similar to like the sugar cookie latte that they did for the holidays, but this is where I am at. Some of them are in colored piles, some of them are like my book of the month stack is the biggest stack, and then the rest are author stacks. I do have a few like seasonal stacks as well, like this is all summer. Now I'm just gonna start throwing things onto the bookshelf. I'm gonna start with like the bottom shelves first, and that's normally where I put like my book of the month books, just because they all have like that book of the month stamp on the spine, so it looks a little bit more uniform. So let's start with that. I literally said that I wasn't going to organize it by color because I don't really like that anymore, but look what I have done. I don't know what happened. It's less color coded than it was at one point though. So we made some progress. I actually ended up moving almost everything around except for like the pink books. Those are the same. Up here in this little crate, I have my Taylor Jenkins read books. Also this cute frame of Hugo and I. So cute. Also this adorable love story candle from the Bookish Goods. It smells so delicious. So cute. Then I put my Emily Henry books at the very top. I don't really know where to put this Ariana Grande candle, so for now, she's with Emily Henry. Here's where I ended up putting my celebrity memoirs, and this one, The Book of Harry, isn't a memoir, but you know, it's about Harry Styles, so it kind of flows. To be honest, this shelf is a little bit random. I have some of my Lisa Jewell books here, Stacey Willingham, kind of cute, kind of cute. Of course, the pink bookshelf, I have my little flower lamp, some of my pink books. This one, I don't know if it really flows because it's not actually pink, but I think it's cute. I think it, you know. And then my bookends with like some pens and stuff. This was more of the vibe that I was going for this time around. So I have like Beth O'Leary books, Lynn Painter, Ali Hazelwood, Christina Lauren, Carly Fortune, Otessa Moshfegh, Eve Babowitz, Dolly Alderton, etc. These are not the same authors. They were left over, but it's fine. These are like the faves. This is where things started to get weird. So I organized these by like summer books, and then it was just blue books. And then there's this one that just is kind of random. So this became the blue book section. These are like short and fat hardcovers. They're like kind of a weird size, you know, so I just stuck them all together. I did run out of room for this one though, so not really sure what to do with that. So after the blue books, everything just, you know, it did turn out to be color coordinated. So we have some pink hardcovers, greens, yellows, more kind of color-coded hardcovers. I did keep Ruth Ware together and Sarah Pinborough, Alice Feeney over here. And here's the rest of the Book of the Month books. I do have a few more underneath. They ran out of room. And honestly, that is stressing me out a little bit because this stack of books were not included in this organization. And obviously the bookshelf is pretty full. These I am letting my mom borrow, and she also has some of my other books right now, so there's more books that I need to eventually find space for. And there's this pile that I am selling and getting rid of. My office area is a little bit messy, but I also have books in that crate over there, and then like holiday books in this locker. So kind of a lot going on. So I think that it might be time to add on another bookshelf, but I don't know if I should just add it on this side of the wall. There's definitely space for it, but this would have to go somewhere else. Or if I should get rid of my pink locker cabinet. It's really cute though. I don't know. But I could put a tall bookshelf there because these are drilled into the wall, and I don't know if I want to drill another one in the wall. I don't know, guys. And you saw the stack. I tried to get rid of some books, tried to let some go, but I just love my books. So I don't know. Let me know what you think, what I should do, because clearly this is not going to cut it any longer. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye!